The perfect tomatoes for your family and how to grow them. Imagine biting into a sun-ripened tomato, bursting with flavor. Growing your own perfect tomatoes is easier than you think, and it can transform your family's meals. Homegrown tomatoes offer unparalleled taste compared to store-bought ones. You control the growing process, ensuring they're free from harmful chemicals. Growing your own food is a rewarding experience. It connects you with nature and provides fresh, healthy produce for your family. Plus, it's a fun activity to do together. Selecting the right tomato variety is crucial for success. Consider your family's preferences and your local climate. Different tomatoes have different flavors, sizes, and growing requirements. Heirloom tomatoes are known for their unique flavors and colors. They're a great choice for those seeking something special. Popular varieties include Brandywine and Cherokee Purple. Hybrid tomatoes are bred for disease resistance and high yields. They're a reliable option for beginner gardeners. Look for varieties like Early Girl and Better Boy. Cherry tomatoes are small, sweet, and perfect for snacking. They're also great in salads and pasta dishes. Sun Gold and Sweet Million are excellent choices. Roma tomatoes are ideal for making sauces and pastes. They have a meaty texture and low water content. San Marzano is a classic Roma variety. Beefsteak tomatoes are large and juicy, perfect for slicing and sandwiches. They're a flavorful addition to any meal. Consider growing big beef or mortgage lifter. Tomatoes need plenty of sunlight and well-drained soil. Choose a location that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day. Amend your soil with compost or other organic matter. This will improve drainage and provide essential nutrients. A slightly acidic soil pH of 6.0 to 6.8 is ideal. Consider raised beds or containers if your soil is poor. These options provide better drainage and control over soil composition. They also make gardening more accessible. Start your tomato seeds indoors 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost. Use seed-starting trays and a well-draining potting mix. Keep the soil moist and provide plenty of light. Harden off your seedlings before transplanting them outdoors. Gradually expose them to outdoor conditions over a week or two. This will help them adjust to the sun and wind. Plant your tomato seedlings deep in the ground. Burying part of the stem encourages root growth. Space plants 2 to 3 feet apart, depending on the variety. Water your tomato plants regularly, especially during dry spells. Aim for deep watering rather than frequent shallow watering. This encourages strong root growth. Fertilize your tomato plants every few weeks with a balanced fertilizer. Follow the instructions on the fertilizer package. Avoid over-fertilizing, which can lead to excessive foliage growth. Prune your tomato plants to improve air circulation and fruit production. Remove suckers, which are small shoots that grow between the main stem and branches. Provide support for your tomato plants with stakes, cages, or trellises. This will prevent the plants from falling over and keep the fruit off the ground. Monitor your tomato plants regularly for pests and diseases. Early detection is key to preventing serious problems. Common tomato pests include aphids, tomato hornworms, and whiteflies. Use insecticidal soap or neem oil to control these pests. Tomato diseases include early blight, late blight, and blossom end rot. Choose disease-resistant varieties and practice good sanitation to prevent these problems. Remove any infected leaves or plants immediately. This will help prevent the spread of disease. Consider using organic fungicides if necessary. Harvest your tomatoes when they are fully ripe and have reached their mature color. Gently twist the fruit from the vine. Ripe tomatoes should be firm but slightly soft to the touch. They should also have a pleasant aroma. Avoid picking tomatoes that are still green or hard. Store your harvested tomatoes at room temperature. Refrigerating them can affect their flavor and texture. Use them as soon as possible for the best taste. Use your homegrown tomatoes in a variety of dishes. Make fresh salads, sauces, and salsas. Add them to sandwiches, pizzas, and pasta dishes. Share your harvest with friends and neighbors. Homegrown tomatoes are a gift that everyone will appreciate. Enjoy the fruits or vegetables of your labor. Ready to transform your family's meals with the incredible taste of homegrown tomatoes? Start planting your garden today. Research different tomato varieties, prepare your soil, and get ready for a bountiful harvest. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks, and share this video with your fellow gardening enthusiasts. Let's grow together.